Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest in PC hardware and accessories. Today, we've got something truly powerful in the spotlight. The Redragon PSU007 80 plus Gold 850-watt ATX fully modular power supply. If you're looking to supercharge your PC with reliable and efficient power, this power supply unit might just be the answer you've been searching for. First things first, this PSU is rocking an 80+ gold certification. What does that mean for you? Well, it translates to cooler case temperatures, higher energy efficiency, and less noise. It's all about delivering maximum performance while keeping things whisper quiet. And when it comes to reliability, Redragon doesn't mess around. The PSU007 is built with 100% Japanese capacitors, ensuring durability and unwavering performance. It strikes for maximum powering stability, making it perfect for esports enthusiasts and gamers seeking that competitive edge. Now, here's a feature you'll love: the 0 RPM mode fan. This fan only kicks in when the temperature hits 60, ensuring a smart and quiet status during lighter loads. Say goodbye to unnecessary fan noise during your everyday tasks. The PSU007 boasts a compact 160mm size, making it compatible with a wide range of chassis. Plus, it leaves plenty of room for tidy cable management, thanks to its fully modular design. Clutter-free and optimized airflow? Check. But that's not all. This PSU comes equipped with a fan that offers up to 9 RGB modes with 26 selected colors. You can personalize your case illumination style and truly outshine the competition. When it comes to safety, Redragon has you covered. This PSU features protections like OVP, OCP, OPP, OTP, UVP, and SCP. It's designed to safeguard your system and components. And here's something for the future: it's PCIe 5.0 ready and ATX 3.0 port enabled, offering 200% total power excursion and 300% GPU power excursion. That means it's fully compatible with high-performance NVIDIA 4090, 4080, 4070Ti graphics cards. Worried about noise? Don't be. The PSU007 is tuned for low noise operation, with an average noise level of just 33 dBA. It's designed to keep your gaming and work sessions undisturbed and immersive. And there you have it, folks. The Redragon PSU007 850W power supply. A powerhouse that not only delivers top-tier performance but also comes with a 5-year warranty. Redragon believes in their product's quality, and they've got your back with 24/7 support. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the Redragon PSU007. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and leave us a comment below about your thoughts on this powerhouse PSU. Until next time, stay powered up and game on.